Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Target easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Target, first, download the Target app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section located at the bottom of the screen. In the Wallet section, you'll find your payment methods where you can link your credit or debit card. Consider adding your Target Red Card for extra savings and offers available exclusively to cardholders. Next, set a monthly budget for your shopping trips. Think about your overall spending goals for the month and divide that by how many shopping trips you plan to make. As you create your budget, remember to account for any recurring expenses like groceries or household items. Now, start browsing the app for items you need, adding them to your list as you go. Use the Deals tab to find promotions and discounts that can help stretch your budget further. Before checking out, review your cart carefully to ensure you're only purchasing necessary items. If you're concerned about staying within your budget, set a spending limit for each shopping trip before you leave home. Monitor your spending by keeping track of the prices of items in your cart. Once you're ready to check out, double-check your total to make sure it aligns with your budget. Apply any coupons or discounts available in your wallet section to reduce your total. After completing your purchase, save your receipt for future reference and to evaluate your budget goals. At the end of the month, review your purchases to see how well you stuck to your budget. Adjust your budgeting strategy as necessary for the next month based on your insights. Repeat this process each month to refine your budgeting skills with Target. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.